Hi my loves, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a BoxyCharm unboxing. So this is the BoxyCharm for the month of April. This is what the box looks like when you get it. So that's what it looks like, and it just says hello Charmer, and you have your information on the other side. So real quick, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and become a part of the family. And this is my raw Cambodian hair. I colored it burgundy, you can say. Yeah, you can say burgundy. So I colored this hair, you guys, burgundy. And this is what it's looking like, y'all. This hair is like over a year old. This is my favorite texture, which is my deep wave texture. This is a 5x5 lace closure, but anywho, that's not what this video is about. It is a BoxyCharm unboxing. So let's see what I got from BoxyCharm this month. Okay, so when you open up the box, this is how the box comes. This is the pamphlet that you get, and this month theme just says peace, love, and boxy, which I think everything in this month's theme is like around festivals. So all of the products will be like festival things. I will do swatches in this video. Okay, so the first thing that I see is a Pierre holographic lip gloss. That's what it looked like, you guys. So I don't want to open it and put it on my lips because this is very glittery. Like, I don't know if you can see it, but it's so glittery. It's just a clear gloss that has a whole bunch of different specks of glitter in it, and this is what it looks like. So the next thing that I see, which is my favorite, you all know I love Lexi brushes. So I got more Lexi brushes. Like, I live for Lexi brushes. They are so soft. They blend very well. They're so easy to wash. And the Summer Days brush set. So I'm taking them out, and you get 3 brushes. So you get 3 brushes, and it's definitely giving me like a summer tropical vibe on these brush handles. Like, Lexi brushes are so soft, you guys. So these are the brushes that you get. And it comes with the pink handle, and then it's the gold, and they are so soft. Like, I love, oh, and then it's like pink, and then it gets orange on the tips. Like, I absolutely love Lexi brushes. They are so soft. Like, I live for Lexi brushes. I get so excited every time I get a new set because I don't have to buy them in now because they always come in my subscription box, and I love Lexi brushes. So the next thing that I see is the Bodyography and Bailey Bronze Eye Pencil. That's what that looked like. I'm gonna show you the color. Let me just swatch it here. So it's like a goldish bronze color, if you can see that. That's what that looking like. So the next thing that I see is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, which I love. I have several highlighters from them already. So this is the packaging. I'm sorry, I'm just opening it. So this is what the packaging looks like. And I'm gonna open it. Oh, and this is in the shade Purple Dream. So I'm gonna open the top. And I don't know if you all can see. I'm gonna try to swatch it, you guys. I'm gonna try to swatch it. I'm going to try to swatch it. But because I have these nails on, I probably can't. But this is what it looks like, you guys. I can't swatch it because I have these nails on and they have that sifter on it. So I can't swatch it. So you guys, let's move along. And the last thing is a palette from Pierre Cosmetics. This is what it looks like. This is the packaging, and this is the Festival 12-piece pressed pigment palette. And this is the back. It just tells you all the colors that's in the palette. But I'm going to open it, and I'm actually going to do some swatches. So it comes with a mirror. And these are the eyeshadows. Oh my God, that is so gorgeous. So you have some mattes in here. You have some glitters in here. You have some shimmers in here. And this palette is gorgeous. Look at that, you guys. So let me just swatch one of the glitter shades. Oh, that's so pigmented. Look at that. That is so freaking pigmented and it's so gorgeous. And then I'm going to swatch one of the shimmer shades. And they're so soft and buttery. And I'll do a matte shade. Oh, that is so soft and smooth. So those are the swatches, you guys. This the glitter. This is the shimmer. And this is the matte. So they are pigmented. This palette is absolutely pigmented. Look at that. This is pigmented. That glitter is coming up. That is so pretty. That is so pretty. I hope that it's showing, but it's showing on my finger, so that is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, you guys, so that is it for this BoxyCharm unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was everything from the April BoxyCharm box. If you don't know what BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription for $20-something, and you get full-size products. As you can see, there was no minis in this box. These were all full-size products. So I will leave the link below so that if you would like to subscribe to BoxyCharm, you can do so. As well as hair deeds coming very, very soon, you guys. So make sure you're subscribed if you're not subscribed. And I will see you all in my next video. I love you guys so much. And thank you so much for your support. Thank you for staying subscribed and rocking with me. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye.